Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make lemon ginger tea with a punch of turmeric powder and pepper powder. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy lemon ginger tea with turmeric powder and pepper powder in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add juice of half lemon. This is about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this boil for 30 seconds. Then to this add 1/8 teaspoon of ginger powder. I've already made a video on how to make ginger powder. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Then add 1/8 teaspoon of pepper powder. Adding pepper powder treats your throat. Finally, add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Adding turmeric powder boosts your immunity. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. It's been a minute now and our lemon ginger tea with turmeric powder and pepper powder is nicely boiling. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this lemon ginger tea with turmeric powder and pepper powder is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger, lemon, pepper and the turmeric has come together very well. The color of the tea is nice and golden brown. It's now time to off the flame. Strain the lemon ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this on an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this lemon ginger tea with turmeric powder and pepper powder recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.